everyone, this is Apurwa and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create my first ever DIY video, and that is making a water candle. So let's get started. Here I'll be using these two glasses. First, pour some water into the glass. Now I'm adding some food color to it. It's just optional. So it's ready. Now we will swirl it. I'm adding few beads into the glass. I've extracted these beads from one of my old ornaments. Now take a plastic sheet and cut out a circle. Make sure that the circle is smaller than the circumference of the glass. Find the center of the circle. Cut an X on it to fit the wick. Like you can do it like this. You can see here. I hope you can see the X in the center. Here I'm taking wick of this size. Fit the wick through the X you just cut out. So our candle wicks are ready. We will add some oil to the glass. Make sure you add enough oil for the candle to burn. Now carefully place the wick into the glass. Wow. And then light the candles. When we are done, it looks something like this. This beautiful water candle is just perfect for any special occasions. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching it, and if you like this DIY, give this video a big thumbs up. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, signing off. Bye bye.